Yeah, Dr. Finn is back, man. Now, I've been running my vacuum pump for more than half an hour now. I think that's good enough. I'm just going by my own estimate. I should actually have a micron gauge to do this, but I don't, so I run it over half an hour. And you're about to take it out of the circuit. So, closing my gauge. Okay. I've isolated my red line. So the blue line, the blue side. Isolate this blue line. Now that I've done all of that, I've shut down my vacuum pump. Now, if we could remember, my yellow line goes to my can of refrigerant. Now I'm ready to charge the system. I'm going to charge the system via vapor. So I'll be charging the system in a gaseous state. So that's why I have it on the low side, which is my blue hose. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the cap and it's going to punch a can, pierce the can, and as I reverse it in a counterclockwise position, the refrigerant is going to be allowed to flow through the yellow line all the way up. So it's going to flow as I pierce it and I reverse it. It's going to be able to flow all the way through up to this center port. I'm going to keep my red side closed at all times. Remember that. Never charge to the red side. It's not required. Open up my blue side and I'm going to let the refrigerant go all the way through my access port. My compressor is going to suck it in. And while doing that, I'm going to weigh in and see exactly how much is leaving of my system. Okay, and this system holds 0.175 kilograms of refrigerant, or 175 grams. So I'm gonna pierce the can. So I'm turning my hand wheel all the way down. So it's all the way down, and as I reverse it, refrigerant is going to flow. I'm turning it all the way back for maximum flow, and that's it. I'm going to take my scale out of the case. I think I get a better reading when I do this. So just hang with me. Turn my scale on. and I'm going to zero it out. So I zero my scale. What I'm going to do is called purging the lines. I'm going to do this. So a tiny little bit, and you close it like that. That's called purging.